Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this video about the trades taken last week as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Several trades. The first one was the entry was on Friday 22nd, close on Sunday 24th. Pound yen 20-minute short entry, and all these trades using by a Magic IV system, right? Same setup, Magic IV setup, using the Magic IV alarm as well. Now this £1 USD from 7-minute entry, same on Friday 22nd, close on 24th, and this was also Euro CAD short entry on Friday 22nd, close on 24th, and these were all three shorts. Then comes 25. Pound got strong, very strong, on the back of the news from Mr. Boris Johnson that he's going to deliver the Brexit before the Christmas. So let's see. But pound got strong, and look at that, pound Aussie going up, pound Aussie going up. Beautiful trade to the upside, nice, beautiful by the book entry, right? And here pound CAD again, right? And then pound Aussie went up also. It came down on the 26th, but the 25th everything went up because of the comment from Boris Johnson. So this is what happens every day. Anybody can come and talk, or any news can change direction without any notice. So we have to learn this market, and we need to learn to make the changes according to the news or according to the market movement. If we anticipate, for example, the market to drop, let's say technical analysis, right? The harmonic patterns are way pointing towards the downside, but the news comes out in the opposite direction and the price goes up. Then what are you going to do? Just sit there? No, you just quickly, based on the news, you analyze the situation, and then you take the long setup. But the setup has to be there. The short setup, the conditions should met, and the long setup, the conditions should met for the setup. Okay, and that's how it is. So now here again, pound's getting strong on the 27. All pound pair went bazooka again. Pound USD, look at that. This is a couple of yen trade, USD yen and Euro yen, because of yen start getting weaker as well. And here again, pound strength playing out. Pound yen 7-minute, and then pound CADs, see 7-minute. All of those pound pairs went up on the 27th, and then you see this New Zealand yen. Pound Aussie, right? Went up here, and then comes 29. What happened is they reached to a certain level, not these pairs, but the pound index. I'm going to show it to you. So on the 28th, it hit the target, and I was expecting to a drop from there. The chart was this. You see this chart? Okay, so we were targeting this area 64.99, and then pound index was getting strong, pound was getting strong, going into this area 127. It's a perfect harmonic pattern called butterfly, ending butterfly pattern, and either it makes a turn from here, come down here 78%, and then either it's going to go down all the way or bounce and then go to this area 161 and then drop, right? So this is what it is. This is the first option, first scenario. If we don't go below this 78%, then it will bounce and then it will go up again, right? So what happened to this chart? Watch this one. When it's going up, everything is long. All pound pair goes long. From here, pound pairs go short. Remember that, right? Now look, watch this chart. This is what happened to this chart. Exactly from where I said it's gonna drop, it dropped, and exactly where I said it's gonna may bounce, and it did bounce, right? But it couldn't make the higher high of this one. Then we went there. Friday came and market closed. So we close below this. When the market opens up, either we're gonna drop right from here, or we're gonna go above this and take out this high. Then we will go. The target would be 65, 68, right on the dot. Just watch. So based on this drop, I had these few short trades. At the last, you see this 29, and then on the 29 pound CAD also short from the top, and 29 pound Aussie not, I missed this one, but I got it here and then got a little bit, right? So all pound pair, but the rest of them I didn't trade, but they all went down because of the drop from there. And then the 29, the Black Friday, they start to go up again because the index start to go up again from here, 78%. So when the market opens, like I said, that I'm going to be watching here, 64.99. If we stay here and then 7-minute chart turns to the downside, if the news comes out, any bad news from UK, all pound pair going to be dropping. If not, if the news comes out good and the Boris Johnson give us some optimistic kind of news, then we're going to be going to the upside. Then all pound pair long, right? Somebody left a comment on my video that, oh yeah, last video I said everything is going to go down, but I'm taking the longs. Of course, no one knows technicals. We see the technicals, yeah, fine, we can anticipate and project the possible move, but nobody knows what kind of news is going to come out and who the finance minister or these big guys, Abe or Garuda or Draghi or Merkel and Boris Johnson, Trump tweeting all over the place, they can come up and shake the market, and the market goes completely, the opposite direction what you're anticipating. So what are you going to do? Just sit and watch? No. If you understand the whole game, you'll be ready for both sides. If this happen, then I'm gonna do this, and if that happen, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so my strategy all along, number one thing that I go by is if then. If we drop, I'll short. If you go up, I'll long. Simple as that. The charts only give you the road map from which point to which point you're supposed to go. That's it. I said we're gonna go and hit this area, we did. Then I said we're gonna drop to this area, we did. And possibility was either we're gonna continue dropping or bounce. So we bounce exactly from that area though. Okay, that's important. If you can pinpoint the turning points, then you can win this market. So that's what it is. So just wanted to share with you guys, and this is it for now. If you like what you saw, you want to learn this thing, today's Saturday, you can go on my website, subscribe, get the charts, get the system, get your charts ready, template and everything. I'll give you all the indicators, alarm, and template and everything. And then you can get the charts ready Saturday, Sunday, and then market opens up on Sunday, so you can start trading on Monday. Okay, and obviously you're going to be attending my webinars twice a week, where I teach not only the system but all these mumbo jumbo here, Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, and how to use these SNR levels, where do you get them from, all of that. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.